Namaste everyone, this is Madhuri here from Madhuri Yoga and I'm on a mission to inspire you to lead a healthy and happy lifestyle. We were talking about sustainable weight loss. At the beginning of my weight loss journey, the one thing that I used to always do is look at myself in the mirror and think, oh, my stomach looks big, my thighs look huge, my buttocks look big, I'm not attractive, I'm not going to find any nice clothes for myself. I'm sure most of you watching this video would be doing this every single day, isn't it? So one thing we all love to do is to find flaws in ourselves. But what you focus on expands. So if you keep focusing on your flaws, more and more flaws appear. So something that helped me during my weight loss journey was to honor my body. In the beginning of my weight loss, when I used to look at my body and find flaws in that, no matter how much of yoga that I did, no matter how much of diet control and how much of mindfulness that I followed, weight loss used to not happen. But once I cracked the code of honoring my body, that's when the weight loss process speeded up. So yes, if you want to speeden up your weight loss journey, learn to honor your body. Now, what is honoring your body? You need to honor your body in terms of love, acceptance and respect. So start loving your body. Give your body the love it requires. Imagine you have a plant in front of you and you want the plant to grow. How would you make the plant to grow? You're going to give it love, you're going to give it water, you're going to give all the nourishment, and that's when the plant is going to grow. If you're constantly cursing, if you're constantly breaking apart the plant, would it grow? No, right? So why are you doing the same thing to yourself? Stop doing that. Start loving your body. Give it the kindness, give it the compassion that it requires. When you start loving your body will start loving you back. The next thing to talk about is acceptance. So whatever you want to change in life, the change begins only when you accept it as it is. Be it a person, be it a situation, be it your own body. So accept your body as it is. So once you start accepting your body, once you start accepting your limitations, once you start accepting your strengths and weaknesses, you can work around it and bring about a change. Do not compare your body to somebody else and think my body should be like that. No, it is not going to happen because your body is unique to you. So appreciate that uniqueness and accept your body as it is. The next thing that we are going to talk about is respect. One of the most important aspects in our health, be it our weight loss or be it any sort of recovery journey, is to know how to respect our body. Our body has certain kinds of likes and dislikes. Our body has acceptance of certain things and our body rejects certain things. So you need to have an understanding of this. This is what is called respecting your body. So you need to have an understanding of your body for this. So if you want to know what understanding of the body is, check out my previous video. I'm going to link it up here. So yes, you need to start respecting your body. Certain things suit your body and certain things do not suit. So just because it is working for somebody else doesn't mean it is going to work for you. So you need to respect that aspect about your body. Do not force your body to like something that is seeming unnatural to your body. So do not put your body through unnatural processes just for your ego satisfaction. Yes, I said it. A lot of times weight loss becomes more about the ego. So you put your body through a lot of processes and procedures just to see some sort of success. Stop doing that. Honor your body in terms of love, respect, kindness, compassion and acceptance. Look at yourself in the mirror every single day and appreciate yourself. Appreciate your physical qualities, appreciate your smile, appreciate your hair, appreciate your eyes, whatever aspects that you love about yourself. The more you focus on your positives, the more positives come into picture. So from today onwards, make a promise to yourself that you are going to honor your body no matter how it looks like right now. The moment you start honoring your body, you can speed up the weight loss process. The body is going to love you back, and the body is going to adapt to whatever you are putting it through very easily. So that is what we want, isn't it? We don't want our body to suffer so much. We want this entire weight loss journey to be as simple and as easy as possible. So this is going to happen only when you start honoring your body. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you want to get in touch with me regarding my classes, the links are below, so check them out. We shall meet in the next video. Be kind, be present, be grateful. Namaste.